Ever wondered what baking school is really like? Here's a look at my day as a Baking and Pastry Arts student at Edmonds College. We start our day at 8:30 a.m. with a brief meeting where our instructors, Bonnie and Karen, discuss the menu we are preparing for the pastry corner that day. Then we head over to the kitchen where we start preparing all the items. Today I am working on entremets and plated desserts. One of my favorite aspects of being in pastry school is the opportunity to decorate elegant desserts, and I really enjoy exploring my creativity in the kitchen. There is not one day that is the same in this program. You could be baking delicious cookies, brownies, cakes, breads, tarts, or other pastries. Once we have prepared all the items, we head over to the pastry corner and arrange them in a display case. Everything is fresh, and there are usually customers at the door when we open. Edmonds College is just the beginning of my journey. Everything I learn here, I will use to open up my own bakery one day. Until then, bon appetit!